Hi guys, Phil from Foxtech. Today I'm very glad to show you a new video goggles, and this is the Skyzone V02S. It's the new version of video goggles for FPV, especially for the racing quad. It's very amazing. Let me show the features of it. Okay. First, let's see the packing. It says the 40 channels, HDMI, auto channel searching. The resolution is around 850 by 480. And the 5.8G diversity receiver and also DVR, also the head tracking. All the functions are built in this very small video goggles. Are you excited? Let me show you the detail. Okay. Here, let's see, it comes with a nice packing box right here, even with a attach point that you can maybe attach to your bag or something else. Let's open it up. And actually, we get the white colored version, and it has two versions, the black and the white, and I think the white is better for using under sunlight, especially in the very hot summer. Okay, let's see, it still comes with the two antenna socket right here, a front camera if you want to view, and the outside view while you wear it on. You can see it may be hard to take it off, just press the button so you can see, have the outside view. Still 6 buttons, still something very similar to the early version, but something different. I found HDMI input. So I suppose it's very important for the next generation of video goggles, because we are having the HD transmission system for the racing drones, because in that case the HDMI is very, very important. Also, you can find here is the SD card slot, the AV in, AV out, USB, and also the earphone output right here. Okay, let's check what's else in the box. Actually, I found they made a new eyeshade, because I still prefer the rubber eyeshade, but actually if you find something very similar to the popular VR goggles like this, is also very nice. You can see here's the new eyeshade frame. If you take off this rubber eyeshade, you can put on the new one. It looks different, also feels different. Let me try it. Very easy. And also if you feel this foam is too hard to your face, it also comes with a softer one. So you can replace this with this one. I suppose it will be very comfortable if you wear this. Actually, you can see the inside of the goggles. You can see two like lens. Actually, I replaced them with my personal favorite lens, and it comes with like this two plastic protection plate right here. Okay, the new eyeshade and new head strap. If you use the new eyeshade, you can wear it in this way, like this. So I think it may feel much more comfortable than only this one. So it's another improvement. Also, you can find some. You can see here's a trainer cable. See the detail. This one is for, I think it's for Spectrum. It's like JR's or the what's that? It's the Walkra radio. I'll use this type of things. And also, I suppose the FPV guys still use this. A round trainer cable, a power supply cable. And actually, I have another radio already mounted with the footbar compatible trainer cable, because this goggles is equipped with the very high precision head track. So it comes with actually 3 types of trainer cables for the footbar, for another footbar, and also for the FPV Sky or similar radios who have the earplug trainer cable output. Okay, and 2 servo wires. I think it's for the head tracking. If you have a gimbal, you have a small servo pan and tilt with a camera mounted on, I think you will need these cables to link your pan and tilt with your receiver, and this is necessary. Okay, I suppose this is everything, and what I'm talking about is just the goggles itself. because we also supply the full version. It's the full version. So in the full version, you also get a 3D camera. It's newly designed. It's much smaller than the early version. You can see here. And also a 3D transmitter. Actually, the transmitter is made of 2 transmitters and using different channels, so you can get perfect 3D image in the goggles. And the new goggles has 2 modes. It's the 3D mode or the 2D mode. In 3D mode, 2 antennas can receive images from different 5.8 channels, and in the 2D mode, they only receive 1 channel, either this one or this one, and they turns like a diversity receiver. So the inner diversity will choose which one has the best signal and always switch between the 2 antennas. It's very nice if you want to have a good reach. You can mount a patch antenna right here and also a clover leaf antenna right here. But for the 3D, it's much different. I actually changed the 3D transmitters antenna into the clover leaf because I see it looks more cute. Looks like a robot eyes right here. Actually, I tried. It gives me a very real and a very nice 3D feeling, so I can tell which object is near to me. And it also increased the fun of doing FPV racing. I'm going to try like this. I think it will be like a different feeling for me. Okay. So also it comes with the transmitter module, comes with power supply board, and both the camera, both the transmitter module and also the video goggles can adapt a voltage from 7 to 26. That is 2S to 6S. So you don't worry about the battery you use. You can use all the power batteries. Here comes actually a balance charger port right here. You can use your standard, no matter it is 3S, no matter 3S, okay, so tight. Okay, you can use the balance port to give the power to the camera. Also, if you use the 4S, it doesn't matter. Also can use 4S like this. So it's very easy. Just use the power battery. So you don't need to add extra battery on the quadcopter, since extra battery may have extra weight. Okay. So it's already powered on. If you want to use it, what you have to do is to connect another battery, like this. So if you can see the inside, it's actually working. I want to mount the antennas. And actually, recently I went to a few of the races, so I can't help to notice that some racers tend to use the actual receiver, which they can put them in the high place to get better signal reception. And for the goggles, it comes with is the actual video in wire or video out wire. You can just use them here, plug them on. And you can either have the video input and also output. So if you plug in the AV in, the RF receiver will stop working. So you can see the outside using actual receiver. Good reception, of course. Okay, I'm going to show you the video, actually the video out on this monitor. So you can see how the 3D camera is working now. But actually the video out only shows one channel. Let's see. I suppose it's the right eye, so you don't see anything from this camera, but actually I can see perfect 3D image in the goggles. And also the goggles has the new auto channel searching function. So in that case, if you want to find the corresponding channel to your receiver, just use the searching function. It's very easy, it can help you to find the correct channel in like 1 minute or even shorter than that. Also, it comes with a new menu. If you press the track button for like 3 seconds, you can see the menu turns up in the goggles. But actually, I can't show you because it only shows in the goggles. So we can later use a small camera to take the inside view. In the menu, you can set the pan, tilt, and show you the head tracking channel, corresponding channel to your radio. Also the pan tracking range, tilt tracking range, and also if you have a radio coming with the reversed ppm signal, you can also turn the ppm reverse on inside of the goggles. Actually, you can choose the 3D mode or the 2D mode from the menu. Also, then you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and the hue, saturation, sharpness in the goggles to get a perfect image. Actually, the one thing I want to tell you is, after seeing the new goggles, I found actually the Skyzone reduced the view angle of the image. Actually, most of the video goggles has a very wide view angle. It's like this, like 90 degrees. But actually, it doesn't help to fly a racing drone, because in that case, you will need a very high resolution camera, but you still don't see the detail because the video is too big. The FOV, the field of view is too big, and it's very nice. They can reduce the size, so you can actually use a standard camera, but you still see crystal clear image. It's very important. I think it's a very, very nice improvement, because at first, like back in 8 years ago, I only used video goggles with the resolution as low as 320 by 240, because the image was very small, like very small image. I still see very clear image, so it's very nice. I think the view of the field of view is just like this wide. Feels very comfortable, and I truly can see everything so clear. And don't worry if you wear the glasses like I do. We also supply the correction lens, perfect fit in the goggles. So don't worry about that. We first supply with the 200, 400, 600 lens. Doesn't matter if you wear the glasses like I do. Okay, I think some features also caught my attention is actually the recording function. I already record a short video right here. We have the video out to the monitor. Let me try to play this one. Yeah, it start playing. You can see you always can play back the video you already recorded. You can just record the video during flight. It's very, very helpful. And also one good function is actually you can activate the front camera at any time. No matter you are using the 3D HDMI or the 2D flying, you can always activate the front camera to see if there's anyone trying to steal your wallet. It's very helpful. The front camera, very nice. But I can't show the front camera image because the front camera is kind of digital. You cannot see with the video out, and you also can't see the video out when you are using the HDMI. So you can only see the video out or the video in with the analog video. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the head tracking. So you can see how I move my goggles and the pan tilt will follow. Okay guys, now I have the pan tilt ready here with an actual receiver. I already have the square trainer cable plugged on my radio right here. It's like this. And I'm going to plug the other end to the video goggles right here. Yeah, you can see it actually start to move. I assigned the SG switch on my radio to control the pan tilt. Let me show you the detail right here. Okay, now I have already the pan tilt ready, and I have the video goggles here with the trainer cable connect to my radio right here. The radio is the 14SG from Football. I already have the square trainer cable mounted right here. So I assigned the channel SG as my trainer switch. So you can see after I turned it on, you can see actually I can control the pan tilt with the goggles. And if you want to reset the position, just press this track button once, and you can have the perfect tracking. You can have the heading reset. For example, set again. Yeah. Very nice, right? I'm going to do a fast movement and see if it goes back to the center point in case of very mad movement. Yeah, still works well. It's much better than the last version, I think. I don't see any correction, but very perfect head tracking. Okay. As we know, the analog FPV has been started from 2005, like over 10 years ago. Now we have the the opportunity of HD FPV. So thanks to Amiman, the pro side helped us to achieve this. This is the world's first HDMI no latency video link for the racing quad, and we have designed a special racing quad, especially designed for the pro side. The transmitter, the antenna, and also the digital camera is already mounted inside. And now I have the receiver right here with 5 antennas, so many antennas. And here we have the HDMI cable right here. With the other end, I'm going to put into the video goggles. So in that case, I suppose I can see the very clear image from this. Yeah, I hope you can see what I'm seeing is the full digital. Everything is so sharp in the goggles. I can see the image from this camera transmitted to this receiver. It's a full HD, it's no latency. I can see perfect clear image from this video goggles. Although the resolution is only like 8.5 by 4.8, but actually seeing from this relatively smaller monitor, I can see a very, very detailed image. I think it will be great helpful if you fly the HD FPV with these goggles, because it's very comfortable and also it feels nice. It's just compatible with the Pro set. Without any problems, 100% compatible. Okay, I suppose this is the key features of the Skyzone V02S video goggles. It's a new version with HDMI, with DVR, with the front camera, with all the functions you need. So I'm going to do some flight test with this one and this one. I'm going to report you the detail. And like always, if you like our video channel and our products, don't forget to subscribe us both on our website and the YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys next time.